WMAR 2 News. Now, Good Morning Maryland.
Good morning, Maryland. Happy Tuesday. Meteorologist Stevie here. Once again, we are starting off on a bitterly cold note. We're waking up with dry skies, but our skies are clear. So that is helping for that radiational cooling process to take form this morning. So all that heating that we received yesterday, it wasn't a whole lot, but a lot of it just went right back up into space because we don't have clouds high up in the atmosphere to trap it down towards the ground. That's why our temperatures are starting off very cold this morning, very winter-like. It's actually feeling more like late December or even early January with numbers at or below freezing. So most areas are actually sitting below freezing this morning, sitting in the mid to upper 20s northwest of the Beltway. And there are a couple areas that are already starting off in the lower 30s this morning, that being Chestertown and also in Stevensville. But don't pay close attention to those numbers. Pay close attention to these because this represents how it actually feels outside when you factor in that brisk wind out of the northwest. So currently it's feeling anywhere from the teens to even the lower 20s, feeling like 24 degrees up in Essex, 15 in Parkton, and 11 degrees up in northern Frederick County in Thurmont. That's why the kids need to dress warm before they leave the house and head out to school. All of the warm layers are needed, and grab that warm cup of coffee before you head out the door. For the bus ride home, it's actually going to be feeling more like the 30s when you factor in that wind. Temperatures will rise into the lower 40s once again today. But our wind gusts this afternoon will be a little bit greater than yesterday. Gusts anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour throughout the morning time frame and into the evening. And as we head into the afternoon, we are looking at mostly dry skies, ample sunshine all across the state of Maryland. Our clouds are going to thicken up as we head throughout the day tomorrow with winds out of the south. Winds will be a little bit stronger tomorrow with gusts up to about 30. We have a cold front that slides through late Wednesday night into Thursday, and because of the timing of it, as temperatures begin to drop, we could see some of that rain transition over to a few flakes northwest of the metro. Definitely dealing with some accumulating mountain snow, but as of right now, any snowfall that we see across central Maryland will be very light, just enough to create a coating on some grassy surfaces, and then it pretty much wraps up by noon heading into your Thursday. The big story will be the winds associated with this cold front. So Thursday, our winds are expected to peak. It's going to be very gusty, anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, staying breezy throughout your Friday before our winds finally relax heading into the weekend.